In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your video high definition in CapCut Pro. Let's get started. First, open CapCut Pro and create a new project. Import your video by clicking the import button and selecting your file. Once your video is imported, add it to the track. Let's preview the video before editing it. With your video selected, navigate to the Enhance Image feature in the toolbar. In the Enhance Image menu, you'll see option for HD and UHD preset. Select HD for high definition or UHD for ultra high definition. First, let's try the HD preset. Preview your video to see the enhanced quality. Now, the UHD preset. Choose your preferred preset between the two. Once satisfied with the result, tap the export button to save your project. And that's it. You successfully made your video high definition in CapCut Pro. Thanks for watching and happy editing. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Thanks.